Okay, so another really cool tool that we learned about in Module 10 is the Shape Builder tool. And so I have a bunch of shapes here, different colors, and they're in different layers. Like you can tell the star is above on top of all these circles, but this circle right here is on top of this star, and this one's here, and this one's behind. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and select them all. And I am going to pick on the Shape Builder tool, which is, if you can remember, is right where the live paint bucket tool was that we used last week. And I'm going to click on it. Now, I am going to just drag over some of the shapes. Now you can see where there's overlap. That's a whole nother shape. It considers that a whole nother shape. That's a whole nother shape. That's a whole nother shape. And because you see I'm selecting these items, they kind of get like a, I don't know, a filter on them. They turn kind of sort of gray, and they have a red outline. And you can see the items that are selected show up in the red outline. So I'm going to let go, and I didn't show you, but down here, green is my fill color and black is my stroke. So that's what is applied to that. Now, I'm going to undo that. I'm going to change this to, actually, I'm going to go back to my swatches, and I'm going to pick the hot pink because I like the hot pink. And I'm going to do a stroke, which I'm going to use up here. I'm going to pick, let's pick a lime green. Okay, so my objects are going to be filled with pink with a lime green stroke, and there we go. And the stroke's not dark enough for me or big enough, so I'm making it bigger here. All right, so there we go. That's how you, actually it didn't apply it, but that's how you use the Shape Builder tool. You can also delete some objects from your shape, the things that overlap and are by themselves. On a PC it's Alt, on a Mac it's Option. So you click that while you're in your Shape Builder tool. I'm going to go back and choose that again. And now when I push it, you see there's a little plus by the arrow, by the cursor, and when you push option it turns into a minus sign. And then you start dragging, and these, oh, I'm sorry, I have to select everything first. Okay, and then go back and push my option key, and now they still kind of highlight gray, but they don't outline in red. So when they're selected to apply the transformation, they're outlined in red. When they're selected to be deleted out of the drawing, they're outlined in, they're not outlined, they're just grayed out. So here we go. Whoops. All right, that's what I wanted to do. So it took all that star out, including the parts that overlapped other parts. Again, let's say I want to get rid of this one. I just click on it and it goes away. You can make some really cool shapes and techniques using the Shape Builder tool. And again, like I say with so many things, just play with it and you will